Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here watching my video. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to create hyperrealistic paintings using a simple method. With this technique, you can make any painting look hyperrealistic. Before we start, I'll first share some basic methods that I always use. I'll be demonstrating with just a few simple tools. To begin, I'll show you some shading techniques on a rough, round circle. Let's get started. In this technique, I'll just use two main tools, a hard round brush and a soft round brush. I'll adjust the opacity to create light and dark shades, and I'll also use opacity changes for smooth blending. One more tip, have patience. Focus on details carefully because detailed work takes time. My painting is also taking longer due to this detailing, so be patient for the best results. I'm using light and dark tones to turn this circle into a sphere for the base color of the circle. I'm using a hard round brush then, I use a soft round brush with adjustable opacity for shading and blending as needed. Notice the details here, especially for beginners in digital painting who may not have used a tablet or pen yet. I started with a basic Wacom bamboo tablet, and it was my first tool when I began practicing. At first, I only created simple sketches, just like in a sketchbook. Over time, I got comfortable with the tablet pen and started experimenting with art and painting. Recently, I made this channel to share my simple and easy painting style. My paintings often have a lot of details, which is why video uploads sometimes take a bit longer. I hope you enjoy watching and learning from my work. I know this sphere isn't perfect, it's just a rough example to explain the basics. Now, let's move on and get into some details for painting hands. I'll share a few tips with you. In this painting, I started by filling in a middle tone as the base color. You can see that I've added darker shades for depth and lighter shades for highlights. Since this hand has a lot of vein details, I'm using a soft round brush to build up all the layers and shading carefully. This painting isn't complete yet, it's taking some time, but I believe it will look great once finished. I'm uploading it in parts, so each part has a detailed video lesson. For practice, you can trace any image to study its details. This is a great way to improve. Personally, I don't usually trace in my work. I prefer to start with a detailed sketch without outlining and often begin by focusing on the eyes. If you're unsure where to start, just open a blank canvas, start sketching in your own style, and then move on to adding color and detail. I sketch in detail so I can understand where to add light and dark shades for later. This is my passion, and I don't strictly follow anatomy rules, I just pick up the pen and dive in. If you enjoyed learning from this video, let me know in the comments. I'm also adding hand details as we chat. And if you want to see more videos and lessons, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I upload something new. If you like my teaching style, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Love you all, take care, and
Bye.